Lights are out, ladies and gentlemen. Green flag gonna wave this time out of turn 4.
Here they come. And let's see that green. There it is.
Side by side still as we come into turn number 4. Going to be Thomas Bailey lead lap number 1. Greg Andrews in second. Ray Kemp is third. Morosky in fourth. Thomas Bailey still in the lead down the backstretch into turn number 3.
Folks, we need you to get back from the fence. Please get back from the fence.
I need everybody back away from the fence, back to the grandstands, please.
Get back away from the fence, please.
Marcus got it there, Joe. Thank you, Marcus. Still a great battle for the lead with 2 laps complete, about to be 3. Thomas Bailey still out front. Greg Andrews in second. Ray Kemp is third. Morosky fourth. Then it's Doug Andrews in fifth. Got a car. Marvelous Michael Gannett, top of turn number 4. Looks like Michael going to get it pointed back in the right direction.
17B bobbled some coming out of turn number 2, but was able to pull it back into line.
We're going to stay green. 3 laps complete, now 4.
That 17B's getting a little bit of help to bobble there from that 8 car.
Greg Andrews bumping him through the turn number 1 for sure. Trying to find a way around Thomas Bailey. B Machine still your leader with 5 laps down and probably 10 to go.
Right now, your leader in the 17B car is fixing to come up on lap traffic. They may not be too much of a problem. His main problem is that 8 car. There's another bump. Well, your 8 car is just, well, he's doing everything he can.
Greg Andrews trying every trick in the book to get around the 17B of Thomas Bailey. Eight down and 7 to go. Whoa, we got a car around in turn number 4. That's Jerry Pittman. Jerry looks like he's going to keep it rolling. We're going to stay green. Good job, Jerry.
There's another bump. Is that what the late Dale Earnhardt used to refer to as rattling somebody's cage?
Yes, sir, I believe it is. Matthew Scott's got it pointed in the wrong direction in the bottom of turn number 2. Looks like Matt's going to get it going again. Once again, we will stay green.
Oh, he's down again.
Still, Thomas Bailey out front.
And another lap car for the leaders to deal with. He even ran through that mud. I can't believe he got through there okay.
Coming up on Marvelous Michael Gannett with 4 to go. 3 to go. There's your 2 to go for Thomas Bailey, the leader in the 17B machine. Greg Andrews again, a little bit of a love tap. Andrews trying to find a way around the 17B machine. As we are about to be in lap traffic. Don't count out Ray Kemp or Ryan Hopkins. Now 4 great cars going for your lead. Andrews down to the bottom in turn number 1, trying to find a way around Thomas Bailey. Down the backstretch, side by side.
Oh, man, this is amazing stuff here.
Here we go. Checker going to be in the air this time by, who's it going to be? Thomas Bailey.
It is indeed.
The 17B, Thomas Bailey taking it at the stripe.